Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that was fixed in this month's updates. So when we get Patch Tuesday security updates, we often have from time to time some bug fixes that might actually get into the fix also. Now, a lot of them were from the bug fixes that were in November for some. But this month, in December, because this is when it arrived, one of the things that the bug fixes that were also installed anyways with the Patch Tuesday updates was something that not everybody sees, but some of you were plagued with one little annoying detail. Out of the blue, when you were doing something, File Explorer would pop up in the foreground. It could be while you're using Edge, it could be while you're doing other things. I've seen some gamers complain that they were actually playing a game stopped because the File Explorer suddenly wanted to pop up in front of whatever they were doing. And it popped up at random. There was really no explanation of a sequence of events that you actually create for that to happen. It really seemed to be random. And it is not everybody that was plagued with that. It never happened to me. I've never seen it on any of my Windows 11 machine. So it's not everybody. But those that were affected were really annoyed with it because at any time, File Explorer could just pop up out of the blue. So this is a thing that apparently has been happening for the past year. And it now got addressed in Windows 11. It doesn't affect Windows 10. It's not a problem on Windows 10. It's really just on Windows 11. So if you had that annoying problem, well, the latest bug fixes that were released this month, and that anyways were installed if you installed Patch Tuesday updates for security, well, that problem is supposed to be a thing of the past. It fixed that issue of the random pop-up of File Explorer. The question I have for you guys, did any of you have that random pop-up File Explorer problem? I'm just curious to see how many people did see this problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.